How many leads does it take for you to buy one house? How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, where we cover the 5 pillars of real estate investing. It's marketing, wholesale, rehab, rentals, and raising private money. And I just wanted to do a quick video for you today on a topic that just came up through a phone conversation I had with one of my coaching clients. She had said to me, I think I'm offering too low. Everybody's telling me no. And then we got into the conversation, and her offers, I went through her offers, were exactly the way they were supposed to be. She's been on 6 appointments. All 6 people have turned her down, and that's very normal. And yet when you're new, you feel like you get 6 appointments, you want to buy 6 houses. But the reality is, this is the big thing here. The reality is, and this is not just me, this is me, all of my friends are real estate investors. I have friends throughout the entire country. We all track this stuff. On average, you should buy 1 out of every 20 appointments you go on, 1 out of every 20 leads. Now, some people think that's absolutely insane, and there's people I know who are going way higher numbers than that. They're only buying 1 out of every 25, 1 out of every 30. I generally average 1 out of every 20. So if you've been on 6 appointments, 8 appointments, 10 appointments, and everybody tells you no, just keep going. You're going to buy on average 1 out of every 20, and that's if you're doing everything properly. You may, I always joke around and say, in the beginning, you suck. In the beginning, you may buy 1 out of every 30. It might take you a little bit more. Now, there are people who buy higher percentages, but they're doing more creative stuff like subject twos or wholesale lease options. They can buy more of them because they can buy no equity deals. I'm just talking about on straight purchases for either wholesaling or rehabbing. On average, you should buy about 1 out of every 20. So if you do that math, keep in mind, you're going to go on 20 appointments to buy 1 house. Now, it might be your very first appointment, and then you're going to have 19 that don't work out. You might buy your first 3 and then have another 57 that don't work out. But average over time, you're going to get about 1 out of every 20. So with that in mind, you have to do your numbers backwards to how much marketing you're going to have to do to get X amount of leads, minimum of 20. But say you want to get 20 a week or 40 a month if you want to buy 2 houses a month. How much marketing do you need to do to get this many leads? Because this many leads should produce this many buys. Does that make sense to everybody? I hope this video helps you. I just want you to understand that you are not going to buy every single appointment you go on. You're not going to buy every lead that calls you. Most of them, 19 out of 20 of them, are going to tell you no for one reason or another, or you're simply just going to be too low. So, hope this video helps you. Keep your mind right. Stay motivated. Now, let me tell you, on a signing, for instance, the average, this is just an interesting way to think of things. The average assignment fee is usually $10,000 is the minimum, right? So I'm going to use minimum numbers for you. If $10,000 is the minimum and it takes 20 appointments to get one, well, that's $500 an appointment. So an easy way to mess with your brain is to stay positive and stay motivated is just think to yourself on every appointment, I'm making $500. Whether or not they say yes, say no, it doesn't matter. I'm making $500 on every appointment. The one that says yes, you made 10 grand, but if you average it out for the other 20, you made $500 per appointment, which takes you about an hour. So you're making $500 an hour on these appointments. Just a little way to mess with your head so you stay motivated and don't feel like, oh, everybody's telling me no. Yes, most of them are going to tell you no. That's part of the business. Just get used to it. It's okay. No problem with that. Anyway, I hope these videos help you. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click like, and I will see you on the next video. Stay out there and get yourself some deals.